There are some truly bizarre hardware choices hidden inside this chassis that Apple desperately wants you to forget about. We all know Jerry-Rig Everything loves to find structural weak points in modern aluminum and titanium frames. Well, the polycarbonate shell on the iPhone 3G is a completely different beast. The glossy finish was an absolute magnet for scratches. I'm talking deep, permanent gouges just from sliding it into a denim pocket. But the biggest design flaw, the one that drove everyone crazy back in the day, is the dreaded micro-cracking around the 30-pin charging port and the volume buttons. Plastic was simply too thin in those areas to handle the constant stress of plugging and unplugging the massive sync cable. Over time, almost every single one of these phones developed tiny hairline fractures near the bottom edge. It is a fascinating engineering failure that really highlights the growing pains of early smartphone manufacturing. Also, if you open one up, you'll notice the massive air gap between the glass digitizer and the actual liquid crystal display panel beneath it. Modern screens are fully laminated, meaning the pixels look like they are painted directly onto the glass. On the 3G, it looks like the screen is sinking deep into the phone. It creates a weird parallax effect when you touch the icons. But to give Apple some credit, that thick plastic back is the only reason the cellular and global positioning system antennas worked at all back then. Aluminum would have completely blocked the weak signals they were trying to capture.